How to generate a QR code for your Instagram profile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to generate a QR code for your Instagram profile. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Then on the next menu, tap on QR code. And as you can see, this has just generated a QR code for your Instagram profile. You have the option to change the background if you like by tapping on the button at the top. At the moment it's set to color, but if you tap on it, it will then change it to emoji. Tap on it again, and it will then take a selfie. So if I just go back to color, and then if I just tap on the background, I can actually change the color. So when I generate this code and I share it with my friends, you'll see it gets shared as a different color, and you can do the same for emojis as well. And that's what it takes to generate your QR code for your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.